What?
How'd you do it?
My sister's steak. My sister's
What
steak.
is that? Go play.
Sister's steak.
Okay, watch your step.
Did Santa bring you that?
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
Whoa.
That just goes in the back. He pulled it out of the...
Put it right here, look.
Uh-oh.
Derail.
There's a white. There's a white dog. There's a white dog. There's a white dog.
It's okay, baby. Look. Look.
There's a white dog. Okay, Mama.
It's yours, Jordan. It's your choo-choo train that you're going to let Shishi play with when she's old enough. She's going to derail that side of it.
Oh. Godzilla! Godzilla! Jordan, look.
Ah, sister's steak.
Look, Jordan, look.
A sister's steak.
When it goes around, look. Look, watch, 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 watch. Oh.
Alice in the background.
Go in the tunnel. Look at the tunnel.
Ow. Ow.
Look, he's in the tunnel.
Mama, look at our toe. Daddy.
Watch out for the sea monster.
Ow. Ow.
The collection of ornaments Jordan took off the tree and put on the fireplace.
Totally.
Tea. I'm in a car.
A car.
My sister's thing. Ow. You fall down.
Yeah, it fell down.
My sister's thing. Auto. Cry down.
Jordan, look. Remember in Thomas the Train? Let's find... So they'll come into the station like Thomas. Like that. And they go in their door. And they close it. And then another one comes. Look, another one comes. And they turn. Mommy's not doing a good job. And they close it.
His crotch hole is stuck on the imaginary.
Hi, Cece.
Go!
She wants that cat so bad. Good job, Daddy and Grandma and Grandpa. I think he likes it.
Oh, I mean,
I guess I did have a say after you bought it.
yeah, I like it.
I like it. It's better than what I got him. I wrapped his toys he currently owns.
And he will love them. Cool.
I like this. Down.
He's doing the whole track.
It's down below.
That's pretty
Ooh.
cute. He's like, where did it go?
Oh.
He's off the rails.
Nice.
Dump
Right,
truck.
a fun shot.
Dump truck.
Walk. Walk.
You found a rock?
Walk.
There's a rock right there by the cones.
Walk.
You put the rock in the truck?
Yeah, a two walk. A two walk. A two walk.
I see.
Put it in the truck.
Where does it go?
In mill.
In here?
Yeah. Ow! I should stand in the wall.
It's okay. You can pick it up.
Boom.
It went boom. Here, I'll hold this one.
Ow!
You want to make it turn on?
Yeah.
Push it through. It's got to trigger the thing. Oh, the truck can't do it. It has to be a train.
Really?
Yay! That did it. Mama.
Put the rock in here.
I got. Hey, Henry. No, auto.
Bella's behind you.
Uh-oh. Your feet? Or what?
Turn it around. Jordan, you gotta check the polarity.
Ow!
You show him this? What do you do? Jordan, look. My video's gonna be all shaky. I apologize.
I did it. I know. Uh-oh.
I lack finesse to play this game.
I see the thing. I see the thing.
So these just replacement, or if we wanted to build it bigger, or
Well,
oh, these are just the clips.
and they'll help hold some of the pieces together.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh. What is that?
Who's that?
A daddy.
A conductor?
Look, inside the train station. Look at the people.
Look at people. Jordan, look. You want to say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye,
Right, one more time through the bridge. Keep going. It's just not alright.
Here, flip it around. Here, flip these around.
Watch Daddy fix it, okay? Look. I don't think that's gonna work either.
There you go. It's fixed.
You gotta move the truck.
Down, down. No, down, down.
Okay, Jordan, look at me. Look at Mommy. Jordan.
Hey, look at the camera and
Look
say
at Mommy.
thank you.
Thank you.
Say Merry Christmas.
Okay, say Merry Christmas.
Uh-oh.
Say Merry Christmas.
Thank you.